I decided to do a video today on the unboxing of the 25th anniversary for eBay. I was one of the early birds who put in to order their eBay swag, and this is what they sent. It's just a simple eBay package envelope. Open it up, see what they sent inside. First off, 25 years of people being people, magical, passionate, entrepreneur. It seems like stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. So 25 years. It's just different colors. They all say the same thing. Oh, that one's different. All the rest are the same. I think just different colors. Alright, next is Get Excited 25th Anniversary Celebration. It's on September 25th, 2020 from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. I think you already had to order or register, but you can still see the video as they're posting it. And then the last thing they sent is a shirt, like a teal shirt. eBay 25 years of selling, being everything. So that's all you got in your swag. Just a shirt, some stickers, and then the reminder card of when the actual video announcement is going to be. So thanks for watching.